on, careful. Do not run your hands through like me. I can't keep my hands out of it, so it causes more tangling. And I keep doing this number, separating it and bringing it back together. Hey y'all, it's Amber Emily, and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if not, welcome for the first time. Today, you guys, I have none other than Sister Wigs Beyond Your Imagination Crimp in 34 inches of hair. Do y'all see all this hair? I make it look short because I'm 5'9", but y'all, this is a lot of hair. This is what the stock card looks like. It's supposed to be a side part. I thought it looked a little funny, a little wiggy on my side, so I shifted it to a middle. Y'all know I'm a middle part girl all day long. It has HD lace transparency, 5-inch hand tied part, lace front. Heat can go up to 400 degrees. It is the Crimp Curl Crimp 34 inches in the color 2. Okay, this is my first time trying a sister wig, and I'm excited. I love a good crimp, but 34 inches of hair is a lot of hair, you guys. And I will say it does tangle. I did spray it with some Got2b to make sure that the crimp stayed. Put a little mousse right here, concealer my part. The part is to be desired, and the lace is super light. It is not HD lace like the stock card says. But overall, I do like the look of the hair. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. It does come with baby hairs, but it's meant to be worn on the side, so it doesn't have many over here, and you will run into track if you try to create some. I'm gonna show you how I got it to look like this, and I just wanted to let you guys know it's here. I got this wig from Sam's Beauty for $37.99. So $38 is not really bad for all of this hair, y'all. Under $40 for all this hair. If you go to the beauty supply store and try to get you a pack of hair, even a synthetic pack of hair for this, it's gonna run you about $45, $50. Not a thin one, and I do not think that it's big head friendly. I have a smaller head and it's pretty tight on my head, and it's in the last straps. Yeah. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I got it to look like this.